Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to customize Wix page transitions. This is a great way to add some smooth, professional movement between pages on your website, making the whole browsing experience feel more polished and engaging for your visitors. If you want to get started on Wix, you can click on the link in the description down below. Let's jump right in. First, you'll need to head over to the Wix website and log into your Wix account. Once you're logged in and viewing your Wix dashboard, look over to the left navigation menu. You'll see an option labeled Site and Mobile App. Click on that and a drop-down selection will appear with a few choices. From here, go ahead and click on Website. This will take you to the main settings area for your site. Now you'll be able to preview the website settings that are currently active. Take a moment here to make sure this is the correct website you want to work on, especially if you manage multiple sites under one account. It's always a good idea to double-check before making any design changes. Once you've confirmed you're on the right site, locate the Design Site button. You'll find this at the top part of your screen, typically right beside a pen icon. This button is your gateway into the visual editor where all the magic happens. Click on it to proceed. You'll now be directed to the Wix website editor screen. This is where you can adjust layouts, colors, fonts, and of course page transitions. On the left navigation panel of your screen, look for the Site Design button and click on it. This section houses all the global design settings that affect the overall look and feel of your site. A side menu will appear with several design options. From this menu, select Page Transitions. This is where you can control how your pages animate when visitors navigate from one to another. Under the Page Transition section, you'll see 4 transition options to choose from: horizontal, vertical, crossfade, and out-in. Each one offers a different visual effect and style. Make sure to test every transition as you select them because Wix will show you a live preview of how each one looks in action. This way, you can choose the transition that best suits your website's style and the experience you want to create for your visitors. And that's it. You've now customized your Wix page transitions to add a smoother, more dynamic feel to your site. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.